Hi guys, Fred Zint here from Guaranty RV. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Fox Mountain. So when you come in, this is a rear kitchen unit. So when you come in here, your refrigerator, you got a double door fridge. You're going to have your microwave here. All your appliances are stainless steel. You have a 3-burner cooktop, your stove, and then you got plenty of storage above and then below, and plenty. You got 4 full extending pull-out drawers. You got a nice one-piece Corian countertop with a dual stainless steel sink. And then right here you have a little place to put your garbage. The place to take the garbage is on the outside. Right here is your side-by-side dinette that folds down to a bed. You also have storage below the seats and above. Got a little pantry here, 2 drawers below. Nice 32-inch flat screen TV, and then your DVD player's got Bluetooth capabilities. And then over here you have 2 swivel recliners, and then storage on both sides above the recliner. Place to hang your coats, more storage above. As you come up here, and then there is additional storage, top and below. Come on into the bedroom. Got a queen size walk around bed with storage above, and there's 2 drawers below. You all right? Then come on into the bathroom. Here's your medicine cabinet, place for towels below, a glass shower enclosure, now let me take you outside and show you the rest. You got your power awning, 2 outside speakers, and then you also have a full pass-through. Your batteries go here. You got additional storage below the cab. And then your 2 7.5-gallon propane tanks. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Fox Mountain, please give me a call. My name's Fred Zint, 729-9500. Thanks for calling.